In the depths of the ocean, a kelp forest swayed like a disco dance floor. "Why do we even need you?" asked a curious fish named Finn. "I'm the ocean's air conditioner," replied the kelp, swaying proudly. "Without me, you'd be swimming in a sauna." Finn chuckled. "Well, I do like it warm, but not that warm." Just then, a crab named Claudia scuttled by. "And I provide the snacks," she declared, waving a seaweed chip. Finn laughed. "Guess you're the ocean snack bar too." The kelp sighed. "All in a day's work, keeping the ocean cool and fed."